Making a balanced plant paradox approved meal doesn't have to be a lot of work, and it doesn't mean buying tons of ingredients either. In fact, some of my favorite meals are super affordable and require less than 5 ingredients to make. Now, I'm going to keep this video brief, so I'm just going to give you an overview of each of these recipes, but make sure to check out the description below for links to the complete recipes. Miracle noodles with pesto and broccoli. This one's got just 4 ingredients, but that doesn't mean it's boring. In fact, it's big on health and flavor. All you need is some olive oil, broccoli florets, miracle noodles, basil pesto. And when combined, you've got a filling meal loaded in some of the healthiest ingredients in the world. Not your cup of tea? How about stir-fry shrimp with bok choy? If you're a Chinese food lover, this one's for you. It's got the flavors of a classic stir-fry with none of the lectin-heavy ingredients. And with just 5 ingredients, it's perfectly filling on its own, but delicious over cauliflower rice as well. All you need is some wild shrimp, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, bok choy. And it's another fast cooker, 10 minutes or less. How about a French omelet and salad? When I traveled in France, I noticed something. Eggs were served as much at lunch as at breakfast, if not more. And it makes sense. Eggs are filling, they're flavorful, and they cook fast. In fact, a good omelet is one of my favorite weeknight dinners, especially after a busy day on call. And I'll tell you, chefs that I know who are James Beard Award winners go for an omelet at night when they go home because it's so good, so quick, and so easy. So all you need is omega-3 eggs or pastured eggs, extra virgin olive oil, some arugula, balsamic vinegar, and sea salt. Nothing complements a rich omelet like a tangy, slightly bitter salad. I think you'll enjoy how simple this is to make any time of the day or night. And who can resist my portobello mushroom pizza from the Plant Paradox? This simple recipe is in my book, and it's the perfect non-pizza for those nights when you just crave pizza. All you need is portobello mushroom caps, some pesto, olive oil, buffalo mozzarella, and some prosciutto. I love that it cooks in less than 20 minutes, and it's got the right balance of creaminess and saltiness to curb those pizza cravings. Plus, it's just plain delicious. If you want to see me make the portobello mushroom pizza from start to finish, be sure to check out my full video in the description. How about baked sweet potato with garlic and kale? Sweet potatoes are one of the more affordable options of resistant starches on the Plant Paradox plan. And a small baked potato stuffed with flavorful vegetables is an absolutely satisfying meal. Now, all you need is a small sweet potato. Please don't buy a giant one. You'll be baking it for half the day. Some olive oil, kale, garlic, and sea salt. Just remember, some of the sweet potatoes in the market today are huge. So pick one that's about 6 ounces maximum, or just cut the larger one in half and you'll serve 2. That's it. 5 recipes, each with 5 ingredients or fewer that cook fast. So the next time you find yourself thinking, I don't have time to eat healthy, or I can't afford to eat healthy, come back to one of these simple, delicious meals. Your gut and your bank account will thank you. And thank you for watching, because I'm Dr. Gundry and I'm always looking out for you. Thanks for watching. Click the circular channel icon to subscribe and make sure you don't miss a single video. Click on the left to watch another great video, and don't forget to visit my website for more of my best tips, because I'm Dr. Gundry and I'm always looking out for you.